is here, and today I am in Plants and Planters in Dallas, so well, the DFW area, and I just wanted to kind of walk in and show you guys everything about this place because this is probably my second favorite nursery in the DFW area. So check it out. Look at these massive pink princesses. They're huge. Obviously they don't have a lot of variegation, but they are humongous. These things are huge. We have our silver satins, and these are $14.99. A lot of pothos. Pothos and Joy for $10.99. Skindapsus. They're in great shape though. Okay, so a few months ago I got one of my Prince of Oranges from here, which was a lot bigger and had a lot more leaves, but these seem to be a lot smaller, and these are $14.99. Bunch of Alocasia caprias, or I think that's what they're called. Look at them, there's so many. These are $20, and this one seems to have 4 leaves on it and a baby on the way. This one's massive. This is a brand new leaf that just popped out of this one. This one is also, I believe, $20. We have tons of those. This is also a very thick fig. Fiddly fig, and she is for $80. Oh my gosh, look at these. Gorgeous. And there's so many. What I love about this place is even if they see that a plant is kind of struggling, they will always try to make it work. They will always help it out along the way. And these bird of paradises are just huge. Massive. Massive, massive. These are $70? Yeah, all of them are 70 actually. Huge. Tons of variety in this section. Calatheas, everything. Is that a minute? Oh my god, these are so big. I have a baby one, but I really like this one. Look at these aglanomias. Beautiful. I think they're called sparkling Sarahs, but they are gorgeous. I absolutely personally love the whale fin. I feel like I will be too impatient for it, but it is so cute. Of course, you have the OGs, the snake plants. Gotta love them. Sansevierias all over the place. Massive Prince of Orange alert. Massive. Holy cow. These are $50. Look at this. Huge. If I had space, 100% coming home with me. So you kind of show you guys the above view, but look at all these Hoyas up here chilling on the tops of this greenhouse or this nursery. And this is like a specific area. I've been wanting this one for a while, but I don't know where to put it. This nursery has like separate pieces of it. So this is the more houseplant tropical area, and then they have the outside. And there's so much stuff in here. I find things I want every day. Look at this Florida Ghost. Oh my gosh, they have 3 left. This one is $139.99. But guys, they have Florida Ghosts here. I hate these. These creep me out so much, but they're kind of cute. They look like little spiders. This is the goal. Look at this. This is the goal. Look, oh my gosh, the heart leaves just get me every time. I'm definitely not a cactus fan or cacti fan, but look at this. This thing is probably taller than me. Maybe even 6 foot. This thing is huge. Oh my gosh, she's beautiful. How much are you? 109. I don't even know where I would put you. A ton of begonia, the ones I really cannot keep alive for some reason. Succulents, I cannot do it. I don't know, I just cannot, but look at this. If I could, I would, 100%. I've been looking for this one. Oh my gosh. I'm getting two. A ton more cacti and aloe vera. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me in Plants and Planter. Don't forget to check them out. They're amazing. They have a massive selection, and I'm obsessed with this place. I'll forever be a customer.